Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm glad to see you this morning in my first tutorial video. Okay, in this first video, I'd like to show you how to create the funny things. What I mean the funny thing is like how to change the Google's like you see in front of you. Here is the first page. Every time you're opening the Google Chrome, and then you see Google, and how to change this to customize this Google logo become your stuff. Okay, I'll show you very simple step. I have two step, but the first one we have to opening first. What you have to do is go to type here, create funny logo.com. Okay, you come like this. You may go here, this pop up, and then what you have to do the next is like type whatever you like here, your name, so your institution, and okay, like let me say my name, for example, Nazaruddin Musa. Okay, and then what you have to do is like select this. Is there are many big brand, the famous brand in the world here, like say like Google, for example, and then okay, here is Nazaruddin Musa. It look like mine. Google changed to be my name here, and this finish very simple way. And how to make this page. Every time you go opening your browser, especially for because we create in Google Chrome, and what you have to do is that simple, like go to the right top corner of your screen here, and then it's like setting or here setting, well, and then go scroll down, find on the startup here. There are three, but select the last one, open a specific page or set or pages. You may set one or two pages, different things that have been okay. Add a new page here. Okay, site URL. This means have to cite this URL, copy here, and then goes down and paste it here. It's finished. Done. Yes, done. And okay, let's prove it. And okay, close